It's been 2 years since Asus introduced us to the laptop of tomorrow because the more screens you have, the more you can get done. But in 2021, what's new with the ZenBook Duo? Hey guys, Tito James here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. Now, Asus has done a fantastic job at reducing the barrier to entry to their dual screen notebooks while refreshing the line to offer better performance. Now, if you haven't seen it yet, what's remarkable about the ZenBook Duo 14 is that it looks pretty much like your standard laptop while the lid is closed. Despite the second screen, Asus has found a way to reduce the overall thickness to 16.9mm, down from the chunky 20mm of the previous model, though its weight remains about the same at 1.57 kilograms. It looks and feels premium like most of their high-end offerings, which means the construction is mostly metal, but it wouldn't be an Asus notebook without their Zen-inspired concentric circle design, if you can see it past the fingerprints. Now, one thing that's a bit disappointing here is the amount of ports available on this notebook. On the left side, you're getting an HDMI port plus 2 Thunderbolt ports that allow for power delivery. And on the right side, you have a traditional USB 3.2 port, an audio jack, and a micro SD card reader. That basically means that if you have the Duo plugged in, you only have 2 usable ports, and I really wish that they had included one more USB-A port, but that's just me. Moving on to the main selling point of this laptop, its displays. True to its name, the ZenBook Duo 14 has a touch-capable 14-inch main display, full HD resolution, and it's been Pantone validated and supports 100% of the sRGB color gamut. The second display measures in at 12.65 inches. It's also a touchscreen and has a resolution of 1920 by 515. It's been dubbed the ScreenPad Plus, and it pretty much acts like a secondary display for desktops, allowing you to drag and drop programs and apps to increase productivity. Now, Asus has already been working with companies like Adobe, so expect Photoshop and Lightroom to be better integrated into the ScreenPad Plus, and since this is mostly a software thing, expect things to get better as Asus ties up with more software companies. By the way, this is something I didn't know. You can actually use the ScreenPad Plus as a humongous trackpad by simply tapping 3 fingers on it, giving you better control and a much larger area to work with. Of course, to fit the secondary display, Asus had to change the placement of the keyboard. So the keyboard was moved to the lower half of the chassis, so no more wrist rest. And as you can see, the trackpad has been moved to the right side, so if you happen to be left-handed, no love for the lefties. You'll be able to get used to the weird key placement after a while, but it's definitely more comfortable to use at your home desk or where space isn't a problem. One thing that we like about this laptop and most of the offerings from Asus is their patented Ergo Lift hinge, which angles the keyboard a few degrees for better typing comfort. Since this is a refresh of the ZenBook Duo, of course, we're getting better hardware under the hood. The 2021 version of the Duo 14 gets an 11th gen Intel Core i5 or i7 processor. You get improved graphics as well with Intel's Iris Xe graphics, with the top-end variant getting the NVIDIA GeForce MX 450. RAM options go up to 32GB, and for storage you can get up to 1TB of M.2 NVMe storage. From what we've seen, it's not enough for serious gaming. You'll have to get the ROG Zephyrus Duo 15 for that, but it's more than enough for photo and video editing, which is what this laptop is built for. Keeping the lights on for the Asus ZenBook Duo 14 is a 4-cell 70-watt-hour battery, and we still have to see how long that will last, so make sure you check back for the full review. So there are definitely a lot of improvements across the board for the Asus ZenBook Duo 14. I don't think it's gonna be for everyone though because of its price. Now, I don't have the official Philippine SRP as of recording this video. I know I tend to say that a lot, but that's embargo for you. But I'll leave it as a pinned comment down below as soon as I find out. And that's pretty much it for now. Thank you so much for dropping by and spending a few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. sub to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell. If you have any questions about the Asus ZenBook Duo 14, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest in tech, head to unbox.ph, and of course, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. My name is Tito James. Peace, God bless. See you guys next time, and of course, stay safe out there.